Look, okay, now lately it's been all work, no play. Ain't seen the club in like 6 weeks. I hit the mall and I jump fresh and I get it poppin' like fish grease. Young, black, and I'm on, man. Swear to God, and I'm living life and I thank God for that every day. Cause this here something you don't get twice. My mama need a new crib, so I hit the booth and I spaz. I'm steady putting out hits, y'all steady putting out trash. I said it once and I said it twice. I been in and don't even wipe. I hit your girl and your ex-chick and did all of that without no ice. You working with that loud pack? Let it burn. Spend up that money like you just got back your tax returns. They mad, I know, but I ain't tripping. I let them hate. My whole team in this with me, turning up to that knob break.
Waiting on my, waiting on my, waiting on my